quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset the Blink Sync module. So let's start. So first, the text. Unplug the sync module from the power source. So you're gonna unplug it from the power source. This is going to be out. You will need to wait 10 seconds. Then you're gonna locate and press the reset button. So the reset button is going to be right here. So do you see, this is where you're gonna have the plug. This is going to be reset button. And this is what you want to do. So you're gonna unplug it. Then you're gonna use the tip of the pen to press and hold the reset button. So you're gonna tip of the pen, press and hold the reset button. And then you're gonna reconnect the power. While holding the reset button, plug the sync module back into the power source. So you're gonna put it back in while you're holding the reset button, and keep holding the reset button until you see a red light blink once. And you're gonna release the reset button. Open the Blink app on your phone, and the app will indicate the sync module has reset or is updating the software. So this is how we're gonna do it. So to repeat the whole process, what you need to do is this. Unplug it. Then you want to press and hold with a pen, with a pin or something, paper clip, the reset button. While you're holding the reset button, after those 10 seconds, you're gonna plug it back in, but you want to hold the reset button, and you're gonna wait for the red light blink once. And that's how you're gonna do it. Super simple, super easy. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.